So far I have taught you what is differential equation, how it looks like mathematically. We also talked about the order and power of differential equation and different notations that can be used for derivative terms. Now it is the time to conduct. There are two main categories of differential equation. Number one, ordinary differential equation. What is ordinary differential equation actually? An equation is an ordinary differential equation if the unknown function depends on only one independent variable. A differential equation which has only one independent variable is an ordinary differential equation. But how it looks like? Here is an example: dy of dx plus 2y equals to 0. It is a typical ordinary differential equation. How we know that? When you look to the derivative term here, y is a dependent variable and x is independent variable. We have only one independent variable, and that is why it is called ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation is an equation which has only one independent variable, and we have only one independent, which is x. Partial differential equation. What is partial differential equation? An equation is a partial differential equation if the unknown function depends on more than one independent variable. An equation which has more than one independent variable is actually a partial differential equation. How it looks like? Here we go. F of x comma y equals to x squared times y plus y squared times x cubed plus 5. It's a typical partial differential equation. There are two independent variables, x and y. Remember in the previous lecture, for the ordinary differential equation, we had only one independent variable. For the partial here, we have two independent variables, x and y. To solve this equation, I'm going to differentiate first with respect to x and then with respect to y separately. You have to differentiate this equation both with respect to x and y. What are the notations that we use for partial derivative or partial differentiation? Let's suppose I differentiate the equation first with respect to x, and the symbol for this is partial f or partial x. It is a partial derivative notation, or partial sub x times f, or f sub x, or partial to the x times f. These are just notations that we use for partial derivative term. You can pick any one, but normally we use partial f or partial x or f sub x. And the same thing goes for the y. If I differentiate this equation with respect to y, my derivative term will be partial f or partial y or partial sub y times f or f sub y or partial to the y times f. We're gonna do complete tutorials of ordinary and differential equation in upcoming lectures. Just stay tuned.